Friends, this is Paranjit from SPS Gardening. Today my friend Aicha performs activities to explain you about air. Let's start.
Hello friends, good morning. This is Aditya from 5th B. Today I am going to show that air occupies space. For this activity, we need one balloon and one air pump. First, we have to fix the balloon to the pipe. Fill the air into the balloon by using the air pump. Here we can observe the balloon is increasing in size because the air we pump into the balloon occupies the space. That's why the balloon is increased in size. It shows that air occupies space. Air exerts pressure. First, fill the water in the glass and place the index card on the glass. Hold it tightly and turn it slowly and remove the hand carefully. Now we can see that the air exerts pressure. Friends, we can see that the card does not fall down because the pressure of the air outside the glass is pushing up the card. It shows that the air exerts the pressure on the objects. It has weight. For this activity, required materials are 2 balloons, 1 scale, 1 needle and thread. Now I will start the procedure. I filled air into 2 balloons. Tie the balloons with the help of thread to each side of the scale. See how the scale is positioned when we lift it. Here now burst one of the balloons with a needle. We can observe the scale, that is, the scale tilts towards the balloon that is still intact because the intact balloon has air inside it, so which makes it heavier. So the scale tilts. It shows that air has weight.
I think all of you understood what my friend Aicha explained. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Leave comment on comment section. Bye friends.